Customs and Border Protection says that it has already reunited the 500 or so families in its custody, but more than 2,000 children are still in limbo. Overnight, in a written statement, the Department of Homeland Security said about 17% of those are the result of the president's zero tolerance policy. The rest came to this country without a parent or guardian.
Set the children free!
This morning, outrage as roughly 2,000 migrant children are still separated from their parents. Protests from San Diego to Homestead, Florida. In McAllen, Texas, demonstrators surrounded a bus full of migrants leaving the Border Patrol's largest processing facility.
These are human beings and they deserve to be treated as such.
Today, immigration activists are planning a rally outside this tense city near El Paso, Texas, where migrant children are being kept. The Department of Health and Human Services says it's caring for more than 2,000 separated minors. The agency says roughly 350 of them are the result of the Trump administration's zero tolerance policy, and the rest arrived in the U.S. without a parent or guardian.
Right now, we're looking at what we're going to do. Whatever we do, we are going to keep the families together.
Is there an adequate plan to reunite these families?
Well, we haven't seen it, if there is.
Congressional Democrats pouncing about 24 touring a detention center.
The first place that we visited had nothing on the floors. They were small children, many of them under the age of 5, who were segregated from their parents and were crying.
Iris Ufrago Mancia of Honduras was separated from her son Ederson on his 6th birthday. Now she doesn't know if she'll see him again before she's deported. One of the few publicly documented reunions is Beata Mariana de Jesus Mejia of Guatemala, who sued the U.S. government to get her 7-year-old son. She told us that as a mother, you must fight to get your child back. She now waits to see whether she'll be granted asylum.
Overnight, DHS officials insisted that the United States government knows the location of all the children in its custody and is working to reunite them with their families. Willie?
All right, Gabe Gutierrez getting us started at the border in Hidalgo, Texas. Gabe, thank you very much.